Welcome back into this new video, guys, of TechPrice. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the powerful tool you needed to get the product listed into Google. This one is called the Google Retail or the Google Merchant Center. So whether you are a beginner or just needed a refresher, this guide will cover everything you needed to know to get started with the Google Merchant Center. The Google Merchant Center, you go directly into google.com/retail. Now, this application or this platform allows you to upload your product information, making it available to shoppers across Google Search, across shopping, and other Google services. So, it's essential for anyone running an e-commerce business or advertising some products online. So, why do you want to use Google Merchant Center? Well, simple, because this tool gives you the product more visibility, helps you reach potential customers at the right time, and integrates seamlessly with Google Ads for a more effective marketing strategy. And of course, plus everybody uses Google, so this one can be helping you a lot with your sales to get started. First of all, what I need to do is to go directly into the Google Merchant Center account. If you don't have an account, you're going to go into merchants.google.com and click here into the option that says Get Started, or go for Start Now. So you must sign in with your Google account. I can totally suggest you that use a Gmail account that is restricted, or let's say only is specific for your business, and not try to merge it with your let's say your private account, whatever. So here into the Merchant Center, I'm gonna hit now into Get Started. So enter the business information. You can include your business name, you can include your website URL, and make sure to provide accurate details as they will give used for your product listing. So add your business address, online store, shipping, and add the return policy if this one applies for your products. So you can hit into add, and you might be having a template where you can get started with the return policy, or you can just start by creating one totally for free. So I'm gonna hit in here. I have continue, let's go for yes, and exchanges. Now usually it's going to be asking you to enter a URL. What you can do is to use another service of Google, which is the Google Sites. Now Google Sites is a place where you can create websites totally for free, and actually it's going to be really simple to use. You can create one with a blank site, and here what you can do is to create a privacy policy or a return policy and add it in here. So once you have added all this information, let's go for continue. Once you have your return policy created, I'm going to hit now into published. Let's go for published, and really important to copy the URL of my policy, which is in this case here. I'm going to go back and I paste it. Go for next within certain 10 days and go for next. Applies to MXN, restocking fee, no cost, and refund processing time. Let's go for 10 days. And there we go. So return method, let's go the drop-off location or by email. There we go. Now we have created the overview of everything. So it is going to be really important that before you can upload products, you need to verify and claim your website. So this step is crucial because it confirms that you own the website associated with your Merchant Center account. So into the Merchant Center account, let's go into the right part, and here I have the overview, the products, the shipping, business info, and much more. So let's go for business information. Here you can see that we have the details about our business, the stores, and the countries. So it's going to be really important to create one or to make sure that you can verify a business profile. So in my case, I have this online store, which in this case, it is this one. I can start by creating a new online store if I want to. So enter the URL, and as you can see here, the verification and the claimed. So go for continue. Here you have the online store, the business details, the business logo and colors. You can use to add those later. And here is the checkout. The checkout is where the customers can now go directly to the checkout, and of course to get started with the process of the payment. Now in here, this is the products where my online store products appear. As you can see, we don't have any country set it up. So to get started, it's going to be asking you to add products into a specific country. Let's say, for example, Mexico. So here I have the content API, add product sourced, and I can add a product from a file from the Google Sheets or to use this automatically. So I have the link for the file, and I have, for example, I can upload it from a computer if I wanted to, or just upload it as an actual test. So once you added your product directly inside here, you can see that here into the section that says products, all the section that says your product should be added automatically directly into the Google Merchant Center. To get the most out of the Google Merchant Center, what you can do is to optimize your product data. For example, using some product titles, a great description, and some images with high quality that clearly showcase your product. Now, lastly, what I can suggest to is to focus inside setting up campaigns. Now, setting up campaigns can be helping you to get started and should link it to your shopping campaigns and promote products directly through Google Ads. So here into the Merchant Center, what you can do is to set up some shipping elements using the provider of your products. In this case, I am using the Shopify. So we can use different elements, or you can just focus directly here to the Google Merchant Center. Now, finally, you want to regularly monitor your performance in the Google Merchant Center. The platform provides various metrics such as the clicks, the impressions, and the conversions, so which can help you to understand how well are actually performing into the Google Merchant Center. So be sure to check out all the overview, the analytics, the marketing of your store, and you're good to go. So that's a wrap up, guys, on how you can actually use Google Merchant Center tutorial for into 2024. So if you are a beginner, just need a quick update. I hope this can help you navigate and make the most of the powerful tool. What I can tell you is that if you want to add products directly here from Google Merchant Center, you needed to have an actual valuable source, for example, Shopify. So we have a full tutorial how you can actually use Shopify for people who wanted to get started totally for free, and you can do the process of linking from Shopify directly here into Google. So thank you once again for watching the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hopefully we can all see you next time.